Well, good morning everyone. We've got a little different kind of day today. I actually dropped the van off at a shop up the road from here. I'm just hanging out at a Starbucks coffee shop, and I'm gonna have the few things looked at on the van before I hit the road out to Quartzsite. So I have a friend coming here to pick me up. We are gonna spend the day together, so we'll go do some exploring and show you around San Diego a little bit, try to find some good eats, and hopefully the van will be ready for me at the end of the day. So we'll check in soon. Okay, so my friend Judy has picked me up from Starbucks and we're heading into an area called North Park in San Diego. We're gonna go to an old diner that's been around here for years, try it out. Alright, so the food came very fast here. We just went with a real simple 2 eggs over easy, hash browns and toast. Give me a little look of that. Judy got the same thing. Unfortunately, they do have Cholula. Alright, well we got breakfast out of the way. Now it's on to the next stop. We're not really sure what that is yet. We'll get it figured out. This is El Cajon Boulevard here in North Park. This is my friend's cat here, Bud. Mr. Bud. Hey Bud, come around this way. Say hi. Over here. This is his string. He loves his Christmas string here. Aww. So here's a little look at one of my hand-carved spoons. I made this one for my friend Judy. This is one of my first actually finished, sanded and finished with walnut oil. This is cherry wood. It's kind of like a larger mixing spoon. Really happy with that one. She really likes it. I do plan carving up quite a bit of these in this coming year, and I'll have some available on my upcoming website, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. Alright, so we're heading to La Jolla. We've actually got a little bit of business to take care of first, and then we're going to go have some fun. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been up to this area. I don't visit La Jolla a lot because the parking is usually bad, but we feel like it's a good time of day. We're going to go check out the seals and the beach and the ocean and check all that out. Who knows, we may end up having lunch up there. Ooh. No, can we eat out 2 times in one day?
Yes.
Okay, so we're rolling through basically downtown La Jolla. This really isn't one of my favorite spots to come. Like I said, there's not a lot of parking, and it's mostly like expensive places to eat and shops. But they do have a nice beachfront area, a little grassy area, and then there's the little cove where the seals come in. So that's where we're headed. There's a few people out today. This is kind of a popular tourist spot. Not a whole lot of parking so far. Alright, so we found a parking spot, a front row parking spot. We only had to drive around for probably 10 minutes or so. Wasn't too bad. So let's get out there and enjoy this beautiful day. Alright, so we're gonna head over to the Seal little beach area here. You can see them kind of sunbathing over here. This was actually originally kind of like a children's beach area. and the seals pretty much took it over. It was kind of controversial for a while, but there's nothing they can do. The seals won. Alright, we made it down to the seals. Check it out. Spent a little time down here just kind of hanging out watching the seals. Then we get to watch the people come out here and risk getting hit by the waves here. You're safe, you're just gonna get wet. Oh, here we go. Oh, they almost got it. I'm feeling like staying dry today, so we're just gonna hang out here. We're just gonna kind of walk around here. It's just such a beautiful day. It's like 77 degrees, like seriously, in January. So awesome. There are a few people out. It's midweek here, and there's still like a vacation crowd out, I guess. Check it out. We found ourselves a nice little spot here to just relax and kind of soak it all in. Check this out. Just this nice, pretty grass area. You can just hang out right up here on the cliff, watch the waves break on the rocks. Just beautiful. Can't beat that for the middle of winter. Well, we've about had enough of the crowds here. It's totally worth coming down here. Super beautiful. This is Cove Street in La Jolla. Very beautiful spot. Kind of a tourist spot, but I would say definitely worth checking out. The seals are kind of neat, and it's just so beautiful year-round here. All right, it's about lunchtime. We're gonna go to a special spot. It's one of my favorite spots in San Diego. This is in North Park. It's called the Carnitas Snack Shack. Some of the best, just fresh, authentic food. Love it. Let's go check it out. All right, so the situation here is it's like a walk up on the street. You walk up, order, pay there, and then come grab a seat and sit down back here. They've got this nice little patio area off the street. It's kind of nice outside. So I went with the Carnitas tacos. Judy went with a BLT, and she just had this brilliant idea of trading a half of her BLT for one of my tacos. Love it. And these are their seasoned fries with like a bacon ketchup. So good. Love the food here. All right, so we finished up at the Carnitas Shack. This place is kind of hard to spot. It's just a little, literally a little shack. It's 2632 University Avenue in North Park. Highly recommend it. Well, that's going to wrap it up for the day. Thanks for coming along on our little adventure today. Unfortunately, my van is still in the shop. It's going to have to stay overnight, and I'll be able to pick it hopefully up tomorrow. I will be filling you in on the next video on what's going on with the van. So I'm going to stay here with my friend Judy tonight, and we're just going to kind of hang out on the porch here and watch the sunset and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thanks again for following along, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.